Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on TrueFi. As in my previous videos, I've been showing you that TrueFi has broken out a quite long-term down channel on a weekly time frame chart, and after that, it was stuck inside in another up channel. And this was one of my previous videos. And now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this quite long-term down channel, first the price line got rejected by this quite long-term resistance of 14.7 cents. And this was, by the way, a quite powerful pump from this low to this high. That was almost 440% pump, but the price then could not continue this move to the upside due to the rejection by this quite long-term resistance and drop down again at this quite long-term support. That was a quite big drop up to 2.65 cents. Here we have a quite long-term support and the price and again geared up. And this was the up channel that I was showing you in my previous videos. And now you can see that the price line has moved more up, but still moving inside this channel. And recently we have broken out this quite long-term resistance of 7 cents that has been previously working as a support here and resistance here as well. And now again, it can work as a support. In fact, it is working as a support. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price line retested this previous resistance of 7 cents as a support and now geared up. And now it is again trying to break out the resistance of this channel. At the same time, TrueFi has also formed this very huge double bottom pattern as well. And recently, TrueFi is trying to break out a quite long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for injective protocol, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared the signal on 11th of March 2024, and you can also want the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of TrueFi, and this is the weekly time frame chart, and this was the breakout from this quite long-term down channel that I was showing you in my previous video. You can see that from the month of August 2021 up till the month of January 2023, the price line has been moving inside this quite long-term channel. And when it was moving inside this channel in those days, I've been telling you that once it will be able to break it out, then we can expect a very massive pump and a quite long-term rally to the upside. You can see that we had a quite nice pump that was almost 440% pump, but the price then could not continue its rally to the upside due to this very strong resistance of 14.7 cents. And you can see that for several weeks it has been working as a support here, resistance here, and before that it has been working as a support here in the month of January 2022, from January 2022 up till the month of March 2022. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance, and you can see we got rejections, several rejections here, and dropped down again. And here, the price then formed that second bottom of a very huge double bottom. You can see while moving inside this channel, it formed this first bottom, moved up, and this is the formation of the second bottom. And during this move, or during this bounce to the upside, the price line has also formed this up channel as well. This was a quite significant support of 2.65 cents, where the price line has formed this double bottom. This is the first bottom, and this is the second bottom. And previously, you can see that it has been breaking as a very strong support here. And for a few weeks, it has been breaking as a very strong support here as well. And now the price line has broken out next major resistance levels of 5 cents. And then recently, it has broken out this resistance of 7 cents. And now this 7 cents is working as a very nice support. Right now, the price line is trying to break out the resistance of this channel. In case of price rejection, the price line can again drop down at the support of the channel somewhere here approximately at 7 cents once again. And over there we will have two supports. One will be the support of this up channel, and the second support will be this 7 cents, a quite long-term support. And in case of breaking out this up channel, the target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at 17.2 cents. And in that situation, the pricing can also break out this quite long-term resistance of 11.5 cents that had been previously breaking as a resistance here and support here. And also can break out this quite long-term resistance of 14.7 cents as well. Now, if we take a look at this Ichimoku bearish cloud resistance, you can see for the past several months, it is breaking at a very strong resistance. We got stable rejections here, a few more rejections here, and now the price line has crossed up this lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and now it is crossing up the upper bands, and I'm expecting that soon we may have a closing above the resistance of this Ichimoku bearish cloud on this weekly time frame, and soon when this weekly candlestick will be closed above this resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, then this cloud can break as a very, very strong and long-term support for the price line, and this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. However, the technical target for this breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $1.10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.